Hello kings and queens, welcome back to Glam Queen DIY. I'm TEMU, and if you're new, you're welcome. Now today's do-it-yourself vlog video is actually a dresser thrift flip DIY. That sounds interesting to you? Make sure you keep watching. Please don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get this video started. Now you guys, I am using this mirror mosaic tile. I'm using these mirrored strips and also these mirrored sheets. These are items that I did have in my stock. The mirrored tile is from BB Craft. The mirror strips are from TEMU, and the mirrored sheets is from KGMW. I'm going to put all those links in the description. We're going to line the dress up, you guys. And you guys, this was actually a thrift flip that I did a couple years ago that I'm just upcycling it once again, so that once we take it out of the space, you guys, this is a piece for TT. And if you know TT, she's just like her auntie. She's like her glam style thing. She loves mirrored items. But I'm just lining up the lip on this dresser, you guys, with the mirrored strip. And I'm going to have to cut a piece here as well. So I'm just getting my measurements. And you guys, this is going to be a very simple and easy tutorial. You'll be able to follow me along. So make sure you do follow me along and see what we finished creating this piece to be. Now once again, if you are a content creator and you would like to partner with BB Craft, I'm going to put all of BB Craft's information down in the description. They are sponsoring a portion of this video, so all of that information will be in my description. Always check my description box for some useful information for you, along with my discount code and affiliate links. Now I'm showing you what this dresser looks like with that mirror trim all the way around the lip or the top portion of the dresser, but we're not stopping there. We're adding mirrors to every seam in the dresser as well. So, and I wasn't taking anything out, you guys. I just slid the drawers out enough for you not to see everything going on in the drawers. And now I'm adding this mirrored trim from BB Craft along the dresser. Now that trim on the lip, you guys, those are those mirror strips from TEMU. I will tell you, I was very impressed. If you line these strips up and actually let them touch together, you cannot even see the seam in those strips. So you will be seeing them coming for use in my space in the very near future again. But I'm just continuing to line up or trace out the face of these top three dresser drawers. Now you guys, if you're watching and you're not a part of the Glam Queen DIY family, do make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tap that bell twice, it turns blue, and you'll know every time that we are uploading. I'm going to be bringing you a couple of house makeover videos in relation to getting ready to show you what it is like a late summer but a early fall, because we're getting ready to very soon introduce fall to you guys. Now to see these pieces that I'm creating here on the DIY channel, to see them style, you have to go over to our home decor channel, and that channel name is Her Home Is. That link will always be in the description box. So if you want some inspiration, please make sure you do go over there. Now you guys, just continue to follow me along. Now that we have the mirror on all three of the drawers, you guys, we're going to continue to dress up the side trim. Because like I say, we're going to mirror this thing out. And I'm just adding also, I am trying that TEMU, that B4 glue. You guys, let me tell you, I am a E6000 fan, and especially that super bonding E6000 in the purple too. But I do think that I am replacing my E6000 with this B4 glue. When I tell you guys this glue was superb, I was amazed. Now it still does have a little slight smell just like that E6000, but I am loving this glue. So I'm going to put the links for all of these items along with that glue. Make sure you do check out TEMU now, you guys. Don't be fooled. TEMU has some of the amazing crafting items. Make sure you do check out TEMU, and I promise you, you will not be saddened by your purchases that you do with TEMU for as crafting items. Now we're getting ready to dress up the sides of this mirrored dresser. Now just continue to follow your girl along. And two, if you are creative, I would just like to encourage you, go ahead and start that YouTube channel. It's just that simple. You've waited long enough. Go ahead and start your channel. And you guys, I'm gonna tell you, the hardest battle is up front, is just to start your channel. So make sure you do create your channel. Send me a message so I can follow you as well. And two, family, make sure you do check out my playlist. I am creating a playlist for my house makeover videos. I'm going to be putting those in there. And also, if you like the mirrored DIYs like I know you guys do, I'm going to create a playlist for that. Now that one playlist, I do think the name of it is OMG Did She Do That? But either way, you guys, I'm linking that playlist in the description to you guys. Do make sure you check out some of our compilation videos and continue to share the channel, you guys, with your family and your friends. We are on the road to 50K, and I knew, guys, we can reach that quickly with all of y'all loyal love and support. Continue to share out the channel. I do appreciate it. And to you guys, you will be getting content coming back in on a regular basis. We started last month trying to bring the content back in. Now you guys, we are still pulling out the content from out our arsenal, because I do tell you, you're gonna see here very soon, we're gonna take you on this journey with us. But before we start that next journey, or the next chapter for Glam Queen DIY, we want to get all of this content out to you so we can continue to inspire you to create. Now, you know I do what I always do. I let you see my progress, and you see we're finna finish adding a mirror across this first portion. But you guys, this mirror brought this dresser to life. As you can see a little bit in the background, we did create another accent wall. You should be seeing that video, if not tomorrow. And I'm gonna do all the videos, you guys, with the house makeover update. You'll see the house makeover update on something I'm doing with the DIY also in that same video. So make sure you're looking at the videos. Now this is the finished look. Now you guys, the video is not finished. This is just with all of the mirrors onto the dresser. So do make sure you keep watching. And once again, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell twice, it turns blue, and you'll know every time that I am uploading a video. And you guys, for today's inspiration, I just want to let you know, blessed are the works of your hands. That's it. That's all. Now it's time to repaint the top of the dresser, you guys, and I am using Sherwin Williams eggshell white paint. And as I'm adding the paint on, you're going to be able to tell very shortly the difference. Now, the original color on this dresser, you guys, was still white. And my thing is, I love, if you follow me, you know I love. I love white, and I love silvers, and I love my metals, but I am a white girl at heart. I like the neutral aspects of the decor. But with this, I truly fell more in love with it. And you're going to see, because we did do some more updating in the house, and you'll be getting ready to see that very soon. And two, family, I did purchase the 5-gallon bucket of paint from my local Home Depot. I will put a link for it down in the description as well. And as you can see, because I've added the mirrors, I am carefully, you guys, adding on my paint so that I don't get the paint on the mirrors. And you may be asking yourself, why didn't she just paint it before she added the mirrors to it? Well, you guys, it was my intentions to add the mirror and leave this piece be. But as you can see with that little backdrop, with that wall, that pure white made the dresser looked more of a dingy or very dated, but it was white. It also had the same color on the dresser as was on the walls. So by adding the paper on the wall with the accent wall, you guys, it required me to do what I done. So with that being said, you know, when you do get the video with the accent wall done, you guys, you're going to see that I actually painted the whole entire space. And once again, make sure you be looking for that video tomorrow. If not on Monday, it will definitely be Tuesday. So make sure you do check that out. And two, family, when you're choosing your color of paint, you just be very mindful, because you can get a color like I normally get, white, but some colors still have other hues of color to it. So do be mindful of that. And I will tell you once again, this dresser turned out lovely. Now, make sure you do subscribe to the channel Glam Queen DIY to see these DIYs featured. Go to her home is, and we'll see you in the next upcoming video.